Hey, Genj. It's like, I want food. Give me food already. Get in the house. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a daily dash and we're going to do another accept every delivery challenge. Well, I don't know how much of a challenge it is because it requires like no thinking. You just press the accept button. But right now it is Sunday. I already did a daily dash today, but today I'm just, I don't know, got everything done pretty early. It is 3 o'clock and I just noticed, so accept everything with a grain of salt because it is at plus $3 in Green Valley where I'm currently dashing right now. So worst case scenario, like I think the worst case scenario is a $5 order, maybe $6. I'm not sure. Yeah, so we're gonna do an accept everything challenge today. And I'm headed over to the outlet mall right now. You know what's funny is yesterday, I have talked about how I go to the outlet mall like all the time, and this is always where I wait for orders, but I didn't realize that the outlet mall, oh, I just passed the Hodge twins. Do you guys know who the Hodge twins are? Comment down below if you guys watch the Hodge twins. They're like famous YouTubers. They actually live right next to me though, so, and they work out at the same gym as me as well. So it's not like totally out of the normal to see them. So today we're doing the accept everything challenge and plus $3. So driving over to the outlet mall, and yes, oh, what I was saying was the outlet mall is I did not realize how big this place was. I went there yesterday. I got my teeth whitened. I did not realize you could sit in a chair and have your teeth white in 20 minutes. I was like, no way, I'm doing it. And I definitely dropped like $200. Ugh, kind of stung me in the heart when I saw that, but oh well. Anyways, be right back when we get to the outlet mall. So, just throwing this out there, because speaking of the Hodge twins, there is 3 pretty famous people that live within half a mile of my house. And, which is weird, because not many people live around me, like I live kind of in the middle of nowhere. There's the Hodge twins, who live pretty close. There is TJ Lavin, who's the host of the MTV show The Challenger, or something like that. I actually had TJ on the podcast probably around like 6 months or so ago, and he comes over to the house and watches us do like the tramp wall and all that stuff. TJ's a famous pro BMX rider that I played on a video game when I was a little kid, and I went by TJ as a little kid, so TJ Lavin was of course going to be my favorite BMX rider at the time. Comment down below if you guys know who TJ Lavin is. TJ Lavin is, yeah, so now he's the active host of the MTV show The Challenger, and also Aljamain Sterling lives about half a mile from my house as well. Kind of random. I just found that out recently when Tony told me to give him some shoes, and I was like, oh, he literally lives right down the street from me. It's kind of random. But anyways, so driving over to the outlet mall, be right back. Got an order. First one comes up. Oh! It takes me so far out of my dashing zone though. $12 for 10 miles. Okay, whatever. Dude, it takes me so far away from my dashing zone though. That sucks. Okay, we're accepting it, but didn't even consider that it was gonna, like, I could take an order that'll just take me extreme. That's 9 miles out of my dashing zone because I'm on the edge of it right now. Which essentially, if you actually look at it on paper, that's like an 18-mile order because I have to drive 9 miles out, then I have to drive 9 miles back. Maybe it's like 14 or so, but Jesus. Hopefully there's a good post tip on this one because Chicago 6 Wings, I've never heard of it before. But it kind of sounds like an expensive restaurant, but alright. Whatever, I guess it could be worse. At least it's like a solid chunk of money. You know, like $12. That's almost 2 orders sometimes, so could be worse. It could be worse. I'm just gonna look at this entire video and think it could be worse, you know? Like, if I just say that after every order I accept, we'll always be looking on the bright side, you know? Because everything could be worse, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just picking up a DoorDash for Dave.
What is the name?
Dave.
Alrighty, you can pull up to the window.
Thanks. I've never been to this place before, but I did not realize they have a drive-thru. I guess it's a wing place. Who would have thought that? Chicago 6 Wings. Wouldn't have known by the name. Alright, got the order. That was super quick. Now, unfortunately, let's see how far we have to drive. Oops, that was directions to the restaurant. Swipe after arrival. Confirm pickup. And drive all the way around this entire building, and then, oh, that's such a distance. 15 minutes. Okay. Whatever. It's only 8.5 miles, but really, you know, we have to essentially drive 8.5 miles back, which is the main problem with this order. That sucks. Alright, just pulled up, and we are using the freaking, what is it called? The Beans app again. Coming in super handy, because not only did this order suck and it was super far, but it was also to an apartment complex. And that just is the icing on the cake for making it a crappy order. I feel like it took forever. I watched like an entire YouTube video on the way here. Anyways, be right back. So convenient though. I can tell exactly where the door is. All right, just dropped off the order, and now we are headed back to the dash zone. So real quick before I pull out, check this out. I don't know how well you can see that, but I am way west of my dashing zone. So my strategy is going to be to just drive west instead of go to the freeway like on the way here, because the farther west that I get, like I have to go southwest, but it's more west than it is south. So the further I drive west, the closer I am to the outlet mall, which is where all my orders are probably going to be coming, especially if I'm this far away. So strategy, just drive west. And yeah, we don't have to drive too far south, just really far west. On top of that, I did not get a post tip. It's unfortunate. I almost feel like I don't know if this is real or not, but apartment complexes, you're just much less likely to get a post tip. And I don't know why that is, but maybe it's because people who own homes have more money or something. I don't know. Just seems like you don't get any post tips. And I gotta be honest, I try to stay away from the middle of Vegas where I am right now. Pretty much under all, like, I just don't like it. It just reminds me of California, and everything is so condensed together. And I forgot to put my seatbelt back on. And I don't know, I just don't really like this area. There's just too much, it's just too similar to Southern California. I like to stick to the Green Valley area where it just seems like everything's more spread apart. Anyways, all right, we got a little hike to go. I'll be right back when I get over there. All right, real quick, question of the day to the audience. Let me know in the comments down below. How long have you guys been watching my YouTube channel for? I asked this question about like 2 months ago or so. I almost feel like I didn't have an audience before I started doing daily vlogging, but I totally had 4,000 followers already. But now we're up to almost 7,000. So let me know in the comments down below how long you guys have been watching my video, or if you remember the first video that you watched, let me know which was that first video. Comment down below. Thanks. Also, if you guys haven't yet, just please consider smashing the like button and help out my channel a little bit. Just a little bit, that's all I ask for. Look at this sweet view of the strip. Oh yeah, I am still so far away. God, we still got 4 more miles till I even get into my dashing zone. But on the bright side, we started this dash at 3:15. It's 3:40. It's only been 25 minutes, so it's not that long. But one order took 30 minutes. And a lot of gas. Like we're pushing 18 miles basically to complete this order, so that kind of sucks. Just get mathematical real quick. If I had to do 18 miles to complete that one delivery, a gallon of gas is, well, I was gonna zoom in on that gas station, but you can't see the sign. It's $3.10 right now. And this is a pretty cheap area. Normally it's like $3.29 in the other areas. So when you think about it, I only made $9 to drive 18 miles. Kind of annoying. But on the bright side, I'm thinking like a top dasher today. I am one step closer to being a top dasher. That was the weirdest sounding motorcycle ever. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Yeah, so I guess we'll just call this video Top Dasher for a day, because that's basically what I'm doing, just accepting every order that comes in, because I think you have to have a 90% completion rate or something insane like that to be a Top Dasher. Ugh, I could never do this. Oh yeah. All right, just got into my dashing zone, and looks like we got an order, $6. $6 for 5 freaking miles. I hate these videos, but you know what? They're entertaining, and I have no idea what's gonna happen. So at least I'm entertained, to say the least. But man, we are not gonna make, ooh, I almost forgot to accept it. But I accepted it. And we are not gonna make very much money today. I can already feel it. This will be $18. At least it's only 5 miles, but also takes me out of my dashing zone. So that is another problem. But anyways, all right, be right back. Okay, something weird just happened. So I opened up the order to, I don't know, I was just opening up the order and the order disappeared, but it was very weird. Like, it was already kind of a suspicious order because the order was already late for pickup, which makes me think like someone else canceled it, or it was like maybe they're already in line or something. But I'm not really sure what happened, but I don't have that order anymore. But it was weird because it said that it needed to be picked up like 5 minutes ago, which is probably like, look at, I don't know if you can tell how long that line is, but it's you probably couldn't tell. Yeah, that line is insanely long at Raising Cane, so I'm not too mad about it. But all right, whatever. On to the next order. This is the second time DoorDash has like Indian givered me in the last week or so, you know? Like, they give me an order, then they take it away. But all right, whatever. Just throwing it out there. It's 4 o'clock now, so we've been sitting in this parking lot for about 15 minutes or so. Still haven't got another order. Bummer. I feel like probably everyone's dashing right now because it's like the plus $3 thing, and it's on Sunday. I feel like a lot of people do dashing on Sunday if they've been following any of my directions in any of my videos before, because Sunday is the best day to do delivery driving. But this is like the story of my life, is like I always have cat fur all over me. That's probably, oh, we got an order as I'm talking. What is it? Oh, it's a really good order actually. 2.5 miles for $11. It delivers to the exact same apartment complex that I delivered to on yesterday's video about the Beans app. All right, anyways, so actually we were gifted a good order. I thought today was gonna suck, but okay, be right back. All right, got the order, and yeah, now we are on the way. Kind of took almost 12 minutes of me sitting in there waiting for the order, but whatever, it's not too bad. At least it's like a good order. By the way, I'm doing this little accept all orders until 5 o'clock. Right now it is 4:14, which means we got 45 more minutes left. So hopefully we can get in 2 more orders. If not, at least hopefully we can get in 1. But I started this dash thinking, oh, I'm gonna get at least like 5 orders, but man, yeah, we just kind of waited around a long time for that last order to come in. All right, just dropped off that order. It's to an apartment complex, but I didn't need to use the Beans app because there was a gigantic sign at the beginning that showed me exactly where it needs to go. So at least we are still in our dashing zone. That is, like, this order was perfect. Like, I would have definitely taken this order. But you know, statistically, I only accept 20% of the orders that come in. So statistically, 4 out of 5 of these orders is essentially suck, which means based on that, the next few orders are gonna suck if we get the next few orders. Anyways, all right, so got 40 or 38 more minutes left in this video. All right, look at how crazy packed this place is. I remember like mid-COVID, when I first started doing DoorDash in this area, this place was always a completely empty parking lot. And like, this place is so packed right now. Like, there's an insane amount of people here, which is awesome. I love it. I love seeing people out and like back to normal life again. You know, I really enjoy this. Just everyone's wearing masks, but other than that, it's pretty much normal life again. Anyways, all right, we're back at the outlet mall, waiting for an order. All right, finally got another order, and it is a good one. 4.5 miles for $9. We're going to take it. I've been sitting here for what? It's been another 20 minutes. I thought we were gonna get some decent orders today, but well, I guess I thought they were gonna suck. But okay, Mariah's Cookies, I've never heard of it. It's in the mall, and the order's ready in 7 minutes. So let's go over there. Yeah, okay, well, today was not as it probably wasn't as exciting as the first time we did this, but we actually got 2 out of 3. Like, thank you DoorDash for giving me good orders when I'm accepting absolutely everything. So, not too bad. All right, picked up that order. It was actually, it was for Mariah's Cookies, but it was actually in the Brio Italian Grill. That's a really nice restaurant. Next time I go on a date, I'm taking someone to the Brio, wait, I don't know, it's called like Brio, either Tuscan Grill or Italian Grill or something like that. Anyways, it's in the mall, but they have like a bunch of different virtual stores in there. There's Mr. Beast Burger, which I just looked up. I was like, that sounds so familiar. And then I was like, oh, there's a YouTuber named Mr. Beast. That's kind of crazy that he has like his own little like DoorDash scheme thingy going on. I don't know, kind of crazy. The guy seems like a smart guy. I've never even like seen his videos or anything before. But this is gonna be the last order because it is $4.53, which means the $3 pay ends. So we're gonna get away with this dash. Not too bad, you know. We didn't make very much money, let's be honest, but I don't think we could have made any more money because we only got 3 orders. No, we got 4 orders, but 1 was taken away from us. So, and in fact, that order would have been fine to do because like by the time I was done with that, like I didn't get another order. I was just chilling in the parking lot that whole entire time, you know? But anyways, all right, let's go drop off this order. These cookies are bagged pretty nicely, gotta say. All right, we just pulled up, gonna drop this off, but check this out real quick. I got my first roadie delivery, which I am not going to do. I don't really know how this all works, but it says you must have Clark County business license and roadie decal to pick up. Parking short-term parking. I don't have a roadie decal, so I'm not gonna be able to pick it up. I do have a business license, but I don't know. Anyways, all right, gonna drop off. I'm not doing that though. That just seems like a lot of money or a lot of time. You gotta go to the airport, then you gotta drop it off. For only $16, that doesn't seem like a very good deal. Anyways, dropping off these cookies. Be right back. All right, and that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, please consider checking out my footwear company. It's called Off Axis Acrobatics. You could visit our website at offaxisacrobatics.com. We make some awesome, dope shoes. Yeah, go check them out and use the discount code OffAxisTanner. Yeah, so we made, what was it? $30-ish. So not too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna go back to the outlet mall and try to get an order on the way home to at least make some money on the way home, but if not, I'm just gonna keep driving kinda, you know. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video if you haven't yet and subscribe. Peace.